To arrive. It has been quite breezy today. I would say it has crossed the threshold into windy. Anytime we get over 30 miles an hour, I'd classify that as windy. Our breezy days are sea breeze days, 15 to 20. We get that on a typical summer day. Out there today, it has been windy. 68 our temperature. Dew point sitting at 61 with the wind out of the south-southeast at 25 miles an hour. You can see the haze. A lot of that is just moisture being caught up in the air, but some of that is some fog with the warmer air overriding the colder water. The newly issued tornado watch now includes Okaloosa County and all the counties off to the west in the Panhandle here. That will likely continue to be issued further east as the storms move off to the east as well. Still expecting the timing to be about the same. Should get to between Mobile and Pensacola by about 10 o'clock this evening, and then several more hours later before it gets to us. The biggest issue here, same thing that's been going on all day, wind. Ahead of those storms, and then along with those storms, we could see winds 40 to 50 miles an hour. And then in the storms, the strongest of which could produce wind gusts 70 or 80, which is why you have the high risk for enhanced winds across the orange area there. And then the rest of our area is under the slight risk or yellow area. And that's the difference between a 30% chance in seeing severe weather and a 15% chance in seeing severe weather at any given location within 25 miles of each other. That's what these colors actually signify. And I expect that we will see lots and lots of wind tonight. Check it out. Observed right now, 45 in Evergreen, 44 in Pensacola, and 37 in Destin. So that wind is going to continue to move east as we go through the rest of this evening into the early morning hours. And even after the boundary passes, it will still be windy for the day tomorrow as well. Timing out the storms by about 9 to 10 o'clock should be between Mobile and Pensacola, and then continue to spread east by 11 o'clock to midnight, knocking on the door of Walton County. And then by the time we get to about midnight to 1 a.m. through Bay County, back up into Jackson, and sliding further off to the south and east by 3 a.m. we should be knocking at least this into the outer edges of our eastern portion, which should start to work its way through the bend by about 7 o'clock in the morning. On the backside of this, again, the wind will pick back up out of the west and southwest, and that's going to be as that upper level low starts to usher in cooler air. With that, we'll see the wind gusting as high as 30 miles an hour. So you can see that right there. That cold pocket of air comes crashing down. It sticks around and hangs out across the area, which is good news because the next storm system that comes in, while we'll be in the warm sector, it looks pretty weak. So if you got plans over the weekend, don't cancel them. You just might have to deal with a little bit of shower activity on Saturday. It will be cooler through much of this week. The next couple of days, temperatures are going to be significantly cooler. But dealing with the wind tonight, there is an isolated tornado risk, but the main concern is going to be widespread wind.
People probably just need to stay in tonight.
Yeah, not a night to be out and about.
No, going to be ugly, that's for sure. All right, thanks.